Right now, I'm going to show you how to install a new Wyze Duo Cam Doorbell plus the chime. So with it in the box, you get everything that you need to install. You also get this, which is a different angle here. So if you're mounting it, you can put it at an angle, or you just get a flush one, and that's what I'm going to be using today. You get the hardware as well that you will need. I will be hardwiring it today. However, it does come with a battery, and you can just run it on battery power as well. You do not have to hardwire it. So the first thing that you need to do is download the Wyze app, set up an account, and then once you're all set up there on the app, in the upper corner here, you're just gonna hit the plus button, and then you will add a device. So here I'm gonna add a device. I'm gonna go to cameras, and then from cameras, you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna select whichever camera you're installing. So here we are doing the Wyze Duo Cam Doorbell. So now we are going to put in the battery, and we are just going to follow the prompts here within the app. So here it says, insert the battery, the status light will flash red. We have a status light flashing red. We're gonna hit next. Now we're going to press the reset button and hold that for 5 seconds. Reset button on the back here.
Ready to connect.
All right, so I held it again, and now it says ready to connect. I can check the box here that says I heard ready to connect. We're going to begin setup. Right now it's going to search for our device. And from here, it's pretty simple. We're just gonna follow the prompts. Select the network that you want it to connect to, enter in the password for that network, and now it is going to connect. So it's giving us updates along the way. It said Wi-Fi connected. Setup complete. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and turn off power to the doorbell from the breaker. I'm going to remove my old doorbell. Now for mounting, I have a couple different options. I can use this mounting bracket, which is just flush and it sits right up against the wall, or you can use this bracket and put it at an angle. Now in my case, my porch or my wall looks directly out front, so I'm not going to need this one at an angle. I'm just going to put this one flush. So here I'm just going to kind of line it up and see where I want it, and then I'm going to put the screws in here to fasten it. So I've got it mounted where I want it, but also if you don't have a space where you want to drill into the wall, maybe you have an apartment or something, you could just use these adhesive pads that it comes with, and you could just stick it to the wall, so then you can just take it with you, especially if you're renting or a place that you don't want to put holes in the wall. So now it's time to hardwire it. So with a doorbell, it's a simple circuit. Basically, it's just a connection. So it doesn't matter which wire you connect, so white or red. Just go ahead and connect any one to any part here on the back. It does not matter how you wire these. Also, if you want to do 24/7 continuous recording, you will have to put an SD card in it. It does have a slot here behind the battery, so take the battery out. There's a slot there, you put the SD card in, and that allows you to do 24/7 recording. It's not necessary, but if you want that feature, that's how you're going to access the SD card. So now to wire up here, we're just going to get our wire wrapped around. So now everything's connected. We just need to put the camera here now into the mounting bracket. So one thing of note, I didn't mention it, but the mounting bracket here, it does have a little up arrow here and the word up, and it lets you know that this is the way that the bracket needs to be mounted so that when you install the camera, it's in the right direction. So here we're just going to rest the bottom in first, and then we will push in the top, and then you just push it in until it clicks into place and it locks into place. Now to remove it, there is a little pinhole at the top, and you get a little key with it. You just push that down and it releases it, so now you can take it off when needed. So if you're doing the battery operated only, then you will need to take it out every couple months to recharge the battery. Now it's time to install the jump wire. So first you need to cut off power to your doorbell circuit. Then you need to locate your chime box and remove the cover. So now you install the jumper wire from the red to the white. So we will just unloosen these two screws here, and we will put this jumper wire There, our jumper wire is installed, it's nice and secure, and now this will complete the circuit, which will give constant power to our doorbell. Now you want to make sure to install this because without this wire, the chime is the device giving constant power to your doorbell, and that can create a loud buzzing sound. It can also create other issues, so make sure to install the jumper wire. Sometimes there's a fuse or a chime controller that you can install as well. Now we can continue with the setup of our doorbell. Turn the power back on. Now it's time to connect our chime, so go ahead and plug it in.
Ready to connect.
Go ahead and open your app again, the Wyze app, hit the plus button.
Ready to connect.
Go to Device, go to Home, and then from here you can do Wyze Wi-Fi Chime. So now we need to connect the chime to a device here, so we're going to select the Wyze Duo Cam. You can have it chime if it's pressed or if it detects motion. So you can click on those, you can do both of them, and then there are some premium options here as well. And then you want to just go ahead and save that in. You can adjust the volume here as well and do some other settings here. So you can save and continue. Now it is connected and it is ready to work. And there you go. That is how you install the Wyze Duo Cam Doorbell. I really love the two different cameras. You get to see straight out everything that's going on, and then you get to see down on the ground if there were any packages left or anything like that. I really do like Wyze and all of their products. I suggest you check out this video next about their wireless security camera.